honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, so I want to show y'all a few things I picked up from Amazon.com. Okay, I really like using my rotisserie in my air fryer oven. So, what I didn't like about the rotisserie were these little bitty forks. You know, that go into the rod and stick in the chicken or whatever. So, I wanted something easier to use. Look at these big old forks, y'all. Right here. And they're on the rod that goes with my air fryer oven. Look at these big old forks. And what I like about them, they got these big old screws. I don't have to worry about these going down the drain. Like these. These little bitty screws, and you better not lose them. So, I haven't used it yet, so I'm going to keep the box that came in until I know for sure that this will work with my air fryer oven. So, you all will see it too. And so it has 4 tines to hold the meat better. So I hope it works. Okay. Something else associated with rotisserie chicken. You know you have to tie up the chicken. So I saw this cotton twine stainless steel holder. Not really necessary, but me, y'all. Looks like this. Okay, with this ball of twine. That's for tying up your chicken or whatever meat. Rolled roast or whatever. To hold it together so it's not flopping around in the rotisserie. I'm not sure I'm going to keep it yet. Because I found something else after I had already ordered this. But this is what this looks like. Cotton twine stainless steel holder. And it comes with the twine. I found these things. Let me show you. I know I'm keeping this. These are elastic things to tie up your chicken. And they're made for a rotisserie. So it's supposed to stretch for a whole bird, hold them wings together and hold them legs together so they're not flopping as the thing goes around and round. So this came with, how many, 50, I don't know. Let me show y'all how this card looks. Well, I don't know how many in here, it's 50 in here. And it can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what the card looks like. It's called Butcher's Code. Cotton and elastic blend, food grade ties. So, that's if you don't know how to really trust a chicken for the rotisserie, this will do it. If you got like a big old turkey or something, then you can use 2 of them. So I might keep this and the twine. Okay. Something else I got. Y'all know I've been wearing my Toka perfume. So I got this. I got the roller ball. It's miniature size. I really love this fragrance. It's the Toka, what's the name of it? Florence. Comes in the green box. They have different scents of the Toka. So one is the roller ball. It's tiny. I want to get the little one first to see if I would want to invest in the larger one. Oh my gosh. Just roll it. Ooh, smells so good. That's the way that looks. And this other thing in here is fragrance for your hair. So I'll be smelling good from head to toe. Very nice. What is this called? Hair fragrance and eau de parfum rollerball. And I already have the big bottle of the Toka parfum, and I have the Toka lotion. I like this a lot. Okay. Y'all know I like purses. But when it comes time to change purses, I don't like taking all that stuff out. So I bought this. I had one of these years ago. And this particular set came 2 in a pack. Let me show y'all the other one that I'm using. And they come in many different colors. So I chose something dark. Okay. This holds all my stuff, except I got my keys in the front pocket. This holds all my stuff, y'all. Cell phone, lotion, big old wallet with the checkbooks in it. And it has handles. Ink pen, my gum. What else I got in here? It has a bunch of pockets on the front. And in the back, different slots. Even got an ink pen slot. Phone slot. And it has 2 zipper pockets. Oh yeah, I got stuff in here. Calendar, book. And it got this side. You can unzip the wet ones. Keep those. Because when I'm out and I want to eat, I'm going to clean my hands. And my license registration. All my car stuff in this little section. And if I should happen to overstuff it, this unsnaps. Look at that, to expand. See that? Both sides. So it expands. So I think it's very nice. And where I have my wallet, that part doesn't close up, so it's easy access to my wallet or whatever I have to get out of here right quick. And it makes for easy changing of the purse. Stick it in here. But I carry purses this size anyway, so like I said, 2 came in a pack. So I got an extra one. And if you buy a certain color, then you'll get 2 of the same color. You can't choose one this color and one another color. You have to get 2 of the same color. But I think they're very nice. And something else I got. I always wanted a quilted leather looking bag. I love purses. And they have to fit on my shoulder. I don't really like the crossbody bags, but I like the bags that fit on my shoulder. Okay. So this looks like this inside. There's zipper compartment. It has the cell phone pocket. And I like the straps with the gold chain. I've seen a lot of persons with silver hardware, but I wear gold bracelets, so can't have no silver hardware. So I like this a lot. And that little pouch thing will fit in here. So when I use this, I can just pop my stuff in here. And y'all know I like to be extra. So let me show you what I got. I like purse charms, so let me show you this cutie. Look at that. It's like a perfume bottle. It's a key ring, but I'm using it as a purse charm. So I'm gonna bling my purse out, y'all. I think it's nice. Looks like that on the back. I think it's really cute. It has rose gold little fake diamonds. Okay. And it looks sturdy. And I had to get my initial. Here's one. Comes with a little pink leather tassel. C for Cheryl. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use both of them at one time or put one on each side or one, just use just one on here. I don't know. But that's the extent of my Amazon haul. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. I think this is so cute.